Right everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a partition wall with a door opening inside. Bosh! So, as you can see here, this is the stud wall that we built with a door opening inside. So what you do is you put your base plate going all the way through, just to start with, to make it easier. So then you can adjust the distance to where the door is suited to go. What you do then is you'll see in the video that I've done previously, so we put the head down onto the base plate, we measured up for the uprights, and then we cut the uprights, put two up, held it up in place, and then that was that. And then what you do then, you get the first one in, screw to the wall here, into the correct position, and then what you do is you measure 400 centres, so from this point here, across to there, should be 400 mil, okay? So then you should be left around with a 355 centre. So you do that, keep doing it to 800 and so on and so forth. And then what you do then, once you've got your position of your door, so we put our other upright up here, depending on the size of the doors, okay? So if you've got a 2 foot, 2 foot 3, 2 foot 6, 2 foot 9 or a 3 foot door, something like that, is depending on the size of the opening that you require. But make sure you allow for the thickness of the door lining, okay? And allow 15 mil extra, just so you've got a little bit of playroom, right? So make sure you can ensure the door lining is perfectly straight, level and square. And then what we've done then, we put our headers across, which we boarded. So we've got a fireboard on here. We've got to do another layer of fireboard here. That creates an hour long break. But we've got to just fit the new door lining in at some point. So that'll be that. Once that's sorted, that'll be done and ready to go. Right, so what I'm going to do is walk down here and take my measurement from this point to here. 1.9. Cut that in a minute. Let's go cut the timber. So as you can see, a green laser line on the ceiling, right? Use that as our data point. Another timber on top of the other timber, okay? So it's a double cell plate that basically acts as our header, okay? So we go up now, measure from the base up to the ceiling, so then when we put our upright up, with our header, it'll be a perfect size. Alright? So, make sure you stand on it as well, because the floor's a little bit uneven. So I'm going to go cut 2 at 2.6 now, and then I can lift the head up, insert 2 into, hold the head up, get it in position, and then infill. So, simple as that. You need an extra pair of hands though for doing, because these are quite high, nearly 3 meters. So make sure they're flush. So as you can see, me and Parker just finishing off this wall here. Basically double fireboarding it, so that means 2 layers of plasterboard, so it creates an hour break for the emergency of a fire. Okay, so that's the cupboard, which I'll take you inside in a minute. What I've got to do here, right, so up there somewhere, pretty much there, we'll do a new 140mm thermalite wall going right down. Okay, and then we've got to take this section out to there to move the door to there basically. So we've got to put a new lintel above there. Once we've built the wall up, put our new lintel across, bracing across there, put a little strong boy up here, remove this wall out here, tickety boo. That's that one done there. So this is creating the in door there and the outdoor there. So you can go into the kitchen that way and out into the bar this way. So I'm just going to get some timber, 1 length of 5x2, screwed against this existing lining. Put the existing lining that we've taken out carefully back into place. So that'll be in today. So that'll be ready to go for another door to go back up. And then we are just sorting out around here basically, finishing this all off.